Because we can advise you and we can prod you into protecting, but we depend upon you to know. Yes, we can hire some investigators to dig in. We can get some forensic accountants, but we need you to know. Okay?
Eraka, you bring up a good point. Now hold the mic. You bring up a good point around just the basic level of knowledge, right? So not to take for granted in any way that there are some basic understandings that a lot of us do not have about what we have in terms of assets. But I love that you stepped into that, and that was really that muddy, murky water. You jumped right in. I wasn't gonna take you there, but Eraka, you went, and guess where we are, everybody? We are there. And so when we think about the basic knowledge of what we have, if we go all the way to the fundamentals of understanding your basic bank accounts, right? Those dormant accounts, those cards, the stuff under the mattress, the stuff in the closet behind the corner, and then under the dusty stuff. Like, what do you have? I've heard stories, and we're gonna get to your piece, but I've heard stories about families that went to go bury their loved ones, and they found that policy rolled up like a scroll, and it was expired, it hadn't been addressed, no one knew the phone, the place had closed, right? And so when you think about the tragedy and then the impact financially on the tragedy that you then have to endure, that is real in our households and real in our families, right? And I'll even speak to this personally. We're gonna get to you. I lost my